Despite being more than 3 months away from the launch of the Samsung Galaxy S26 series, leaks and rumors have been flying fast this week. And these leaks include new upgrades. So here's your first look at all the new leaks about the next Samsung big thing. The Korean publication ET News is reporting that next year's Samsung flagship, the Galaxy S26 Ultra, will feature 25-watt wireless charging. If true, this is the biggest upgrade to wireless charging in a Samsung phone since the S20 series. Whereas the previous S25 series supported 15-watt wireless charging across all models, next year's models will come with faster wireless charging, an industry insider allegedly told ET News. As mentioned, a bevy of S26 leaks popped up this week, revealing a surprising amount about Samsung's next handsets. First, it was reported that Samsung's usual January launch window had been delayed to March because of the cancellation of the S26 Edge. A different Korean paper is reporting that January is back in the cards after Samsung overcame the delay. A report from Chosun Biz claims that Samsung will announce the Galaxy S26 in late January 2026 and start selling phones in the lineup in February 2026. It also claims that the Galaxy S26 Ultra will reportedly use the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip from Qualcomm regular Samsung leaker Ice Universe, has shared the potential dimensions for all three S26 models and display sizes. The displays are 6.3 inches, 6.7 inches, and 6.9 inches respectively. Overall, all three phones are slightly taller and wider than their predecessors. They're also slightly smaller, shaving about 0.25 millimeters across the board. The latest rumored change on the upcoming Galaxy phone is a larger front-facing camera cutout, possibly about 4 millimeters wide, according to leaker Universe Ice on X. If true, this would be the largest infinity O-hole ever on a Samsung Ultra model, as Sammobile points out. As per the leaker, the change is supposedly meant to accommodate a wider field of view, increasing from about 80 degrees on the Galaxy S25 Ultra to roughly 85 degrees in theory. That means you'll be able to fit even more into your selfies or group shots without stretching your arm as far. Rumor has it that we're going to get an M14 OLED panel on the Galaxy S26 Ultra, the most advanced panel yet, which should make the display more power efficient and brighter. Galaxy S devices already have amazing displays, and that upgrade will take things to a whole new level. Posting on X, Ice Universe shared the finalized camera setup for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and it looks far more familiar than some leaks claimed according to his post. The phone will feature 200 megapixel main camera, 50 megapixel ultra-wide, 50 megapixel 5x telephoto, 10 megapixel 3x telephoto. Leaker Ice Universe has revealed the LPDDR5X RAM that Samsung is expected to pack in the Galaxy S26 series. According to the leaker, the Samsung Galaxy S26, Galaxy S26 Plus, and Galaxy S26 Ultra will start with 12 gigabytes of LPDDR5X memory running at 10.7 gigabytes per second. This is the fastest LPDDR5X memory spec currently on the market. Compared to the Galaxy S25 series, the leaked Galaxy S26 RAM speed is 26% faster, as the Galaxy S25 Ultra tops out at 8.5 gigabytes per second. So, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is reportedly going to enjoy a healthy memory bandwidth boost, which will help with memory-intensive tasks like on-device AI and photo processing. As we get closer to the January 2026 launch, we are starting to get a slightly clearer picture of the Galaxy S26 lineup. Right now, next year doesn't seem to be a big departure from what Samsung has already done, though that could be blamed on the apparent failure of the Galaxy S25 Edge. Stay tuned for the latest news and updates about Samsung's next phone, and make sure to share this video as you can. It's free. Don't forget to activate the bell, otherwise you may not receive the video notification when I upload.